All right, it's time for the Americans to join into the unboxing here. The British can't have all the fun with the Pixels. Just got this in the mail. I'm not quite sure which ones I have here, but we're gonna go ahead and peel this up here. Literally just came in the mail this morning. Let's see what else we have. All right, slide this open. All right, the Google Hyperspeed Helper. Pop that up here. Let's see, we'll get to this stuff in a second. All right, oops, all right, there we go. Wow, nice. Okay, so we have the Pixel 5G right here. Looks like we have the Pixel 5 case. We have some Pixel buds, and I think that'll about do it. So yeah, our boxing here for Team Pixel is just a little bit different, but still pretty cool. Want to thank them for sending us along here versus what to check out. So we have the Pixel Buds, which I haven't had a chance to check out yet, but I'm definitely going to. We have the Pixel 5G, which we'll do an unboxing here in just a second. Now we are limited to what we can kind of show in this video, so we'll keep it to mainly the hardware. So we kind of peel this off and peel that off there. Let's go Team Pixel. Let's see if I can do this right. Pop. There we go. And we got that interesting sage color. Actually looks pretty nice. Ooh, that's an interesting feel that this has. Very different. All right, let's kind of pull that out here. Let's see what we have inside the box. We have obviously your manuals, guides, instructions, SIM card tool right there. Put that up here at the top, keep it in frame. We also have our 18-watt charger right here. We also have our USB Type-C cable and the adapter here. If you're transferring from another device that doesn't have USB-C, you can use that here, OLED adapter. It's pretty nice to see that they've included this in here because recently Samsung has actually stopped including that in here. So pretty nice that it has that. Pop, there we go. Oh, wow, this actually feels pretty interesting texture. I actually like it. I like the color though. It's actually unique, very different. Not common what you see from typically like black and all those other black, white, and sort of silver typical colors that you have. I know this comes in a couple other different colors, but I actually like this. Got a silver power button here on the side, volume controls. Have in the back here, you have the two cameras. You have the Pixel fingerprint sensor, which I'm happy to see that is back. I prefer the fingerprint sensor, quite honestly, over using facial recognition and sort of all these other sort of tricks to kind of get security. I think a fingerprint's just so easy because you just can pull it right out of your pocket and boom, your phone's unlocked. Let's go ahead and power this up here. We'll go over some of the interesting specs here with this. So while that powers up, we do have ourselves here on the back a dual camera setup. One of them is a 12.2 megapixel lens, and I believe the other one is a 16 megapixel wide aperture lens on the back with a flash here. We also have here an 8 megapixel front facing camera, capable of 1080p in the front and 4K video here on the back. We do have the nice bright 6-inch display here on the back. I was mixing it up here. It's OLED as well too. It's a nice sort of comfortable feel in the hand, definitely. You have the USB Type-C port here at the bottom. There is no headphone jack, so that's something you want to be definitely aware of here with this. You're not going to have a headphone jack on it. All right, being ghetto here, just using a pen. Just happen to have right there on the side. As things are just falling like a controller or the remote control right there, but that's okay. Let's go ahead and peel this plastic off here. Pull this out. Let's check out the Pixel Buds. I actually haven't had a chance to use these quite yet, so I'm pretty interested in these. Let's pop it out. Boom. Nice little egg shape. All right. See, you have here. Cool. Peel this off here. All right. Nice. Pop it open. Nice. All right, we'll let our Pixel kind of set up here in the back. We'll check out sort of the Pixel 5 case that they also provided us with here as well too. Just peel that out. Pretty cool. Let's slide this bad boy out. See what we got here. Oh, nice. So Pixel always does pretty good with cases, especially the textured and sort of material-based ones here. I always really like it. Pretty sturdy, be nice. We'll be covering up this kind of interesting and really unique sage green, but we'll go ahead and slide that into here. It fits snug as a glove. I like that. You have a little pop of color coming right out of here at the back of the case. That's pretty cool. You have another pop of color there with the white. The volume rocker kind of blends in right there. So definitely one of the very impressive things here with me with the Pixel 5 is already the display to sort of body of the phone. It's such a small package. It fits in one hand, and that's a 6-inch display, very vibrant OLED 6-inch display that has a 90 hertz refresh rate as well too, which is pretty cool. We can't dive too much deep into the software right now because we're on an embargo, but we'll get to that a little bit later on down the road. But this is running Android 11. It's going to be one of the first devices ships with it out of the box, which is pretty cool. It's also running a Snapdragon 765G processor, so that's going to be why we're seeing this at a $700 price point. But this processor should be capable of everything that you need and includes 5G capabilities as well. So if your network supports that, you're going to be able to get that as well too. You do have 8 gigabytes of RAM in here as well, 120 gigabytes of storage, sort of all the things you would expect in a smartphone today. And a $700 price point, that's pretty impressive so far. With that, it makes it very interesting to see how well this is going to work out. Post your questions, comments, concerns. Let me know what you guys want me to check out while I'm working with the Pixel here and while we're under embargo and everything like that. Definitely let me know in the comments below. And if you want to check out some of our other content here about the Pixel, we'll have a playlist up here of it as we add stuff here to it. You can also check out this other video here that YouTube recommends to you. Thanks for watching.